friends, and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new and it's your first time here, welcome. My name's Amy Rebecca. I am not exactly what you would call that girl, but I am doing what I can to live my best life and be the happiest version of myself. And I'm sharing the journey with you guys. Once a month we get together to do a Project Pan update because I am in the midst of trying to declutter my life and use up all my makeup and skincare and hair care and so on. It's been such a process, but my Project Pan has been helping me to stay focused throughout my makeup no-buy, which we're into our 3rd year of that now. So I hope you guys are ready for an update. I have used some stuff up this month and I'm so excited to share my progress. So let's just do it. So I used up 2 items in my Project Pan this month. The first one was the Maybelline Colour Show 60 Seconds Nail Polish in Downtown Red. Technically, there is a little bit of product left in there, but mostly that's just stuck to the sides, and when I was trying to paint my nails with it, it was just all goopy and gross, so we're calling it done. Now, it would also be a really great time to just acknowledge that yes, I know my nails are a hot mess. I'm still trying to do DIY nails at home, and I'm still terrible at it. I also didn't even wait for these to dry before I started filming the video, so that was foolish. The other product that I used up this month was the Cath Kidston hand cream. That is all gone. Hooray! So we're 2 products down out of the goal of using up 22 products in 2022. Only 20 more to go. I am bringing in replacements for those items because we're doing a little bit of a rolling Project Pan, if you will. First, I'm bringing in a bronzer. I don't know why I didn't bring this in initially because I have been actively trying to pan it, so I don't know. I don't know why I haven't included it in the Project Pan. You would think that that would just be logical and make sense, but This is from an Estee Lauder palette that has the bronzer and the highlight and a bunch of loose powder just scattered everywhere. As you can see, I have been using this. I have been actively trying to pan this, and now we're at the point where like we're just watching the pan grow, which is the most satisfying part of any panning experience. I wanted to bring in another powder product because there is a lot of satisfaction with watching the pan grow, but they do take up so much time to use up. And with this, I feel like it's perfect because we can already see the pan. It's not going to take too much longer, hopefully. And once I use up this bronzer, I will be at my bronzer goal. I'll just be down to 1 bronzer, which is an insane amount of bronzer for someone to own. Not 8. I'm also bringing in a body lotion. Now, don't judge me. This is a baby body lotion. I am aware this might, to some people, seem like a cheat, but I'm balancing that out with the fact that I have a lot of really difficult products on my list right now. A lot of powder products, a lot of like slow burn products, if you will. So I'm allowed to bring in easier ones. This is the Soap & Glory The Righteous Butter Deluxe Body Shimmer Cream. Ooh, shimmer. Is it glittery? Oh, it's not so much a glitter, but it does have a little bit of a sheen. I'm gonna shine like a star, baby. And we are starting off with 55 grams of that. Okay, next let's talk about some of the other products I've been working on and how much progress I've had with those. So one product I've had a lot of progress with this month is my candle. This is the Sand and Fog Amber and Fig scent, and it's really almost done. Actually, by the end of today, I'm very confident that it will be finished. At the end of last month, it was at 686 grams, and now we're down to 466 grams. So I've really used a lot of it. I mean, you can just see that with your eyes, but yeah, I am always so happy to have 1 less candle because as much as candles bring me so much joy in my life, I physically can't close my candle drawer right now, and that makes me sad. Another small win this month was with my Urban Decay Cream Blush. Do you see that? I know it looks kind of dirty and gross, but that's just like little hairs from my blush brush that I've gotten in there. I swear, it's not as gross as it looks. But let's look past that. Do you see this pan? Do you see it shining there? Hey! This one was a little bit tricksy because the pan is pink. So for a few days when it was like teeny tiny, I was like, wait, is that pan? And it was. and now we're just focusing on growing that pan, which is the most satisfying part. Speaking of growing pan, I've also made some pretty good progress with my Live Love London highlight this month. Again, we can see that pan is growing nicely, which is something we just love to see. Oh no, I've got it all over myself. Ew. Oh no, and then I just smudged the wet nail polish. What a disaster. I'm also quite pleased with the way things are going with my Urban Decay Naked palette. If you remember, I wanted to pan 4 shadows in that by the end of the year. I already panned Sin, and I've been working on panning Sidecar and Buck. This one being Sidecar and this one being Buck. I can see a real big difference in Buck. And a kind of smaller difference in Sidecar. I wanted to pan Half Baked too, but actually I haven't been using it, which is obviously an obstacle to me using it up. But I have really been dipping into Creep a lot because I use black eyeshadow instead of eyeliner most days. So there is a good chance that I will actually pan Creep before I pan Half Baked. So I'm leaving my options open with that, but yes, it's looking good. And finally, I have my face mask, the Okiki Exotic Fruits face mask, and this is where I kind of fell down a little bit this month because I have used this, but just not consistently, not enough for any real progress. It went down from 41 grams at the end of last month to 37 grams this month. So nothing huge. I will work on using this more this month, but this was the only thing I felt a little bit disappointed about this month. Everything else, the progress has been steady and it's been noticeable, and I feel good about that. So 2 products used up so far, 20 more to go. I think it's going well. I think I'm on track. I think that sounds good. Thank you guys so much for joining me for another Project Pan update. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, then please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, then why not? If you love all things decluttering, living with less, better budgeting, and dream chasing, then this is probably the channel for you. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button and become a member of the Odd Squad. We're all oddballs here. But until next time, thank you guys so much for watching. Remember that you are enough just as you are, and I will see you all soon. Bye guys!